In this video, we'll discuss our next chapter, that is inequalities, chapter number 11. Inequalities means which are not equal. That means you know about the sign. This sign is called greater than sign. And this sign is called less than sign. So theorem number 3 tells us that if two sides of a triangle are unequal, the greater side has the greater angle opposite to it. So suppose this is a triangle. This side length, suppose 3, this is 5, and this is 4. Now this theorem tells us that if two sides of a triangle are unequal, suppose this side ABC, this AB side and this BC side, these two sides lengths are unequal, then the greater side has the greater opposite angle. The greater side is here BC. The opposite angle of this BC is this angle, this A, and opposite angle of this side is this C. So the greater side opposite angle, that means A angle, is greater than the smallest side opposite angle, that means C. That is, here BC is greater than AB. That's why the opposite angle of BC is angle PAC is greater than the opposite angle of this AB, that is ACB. Now go to our next theorem number 4. So theorem number 4 tells us that if two angles of a triangle are unequal, the greater angle has the greater side opposite to it. Suppose this is a triangle A, B, C. The three angles are, this is suppose 90 degree, this is 60 degree, and this angle is 30 degree. This theorem tells us that if two angles of a triangle are unequal, suppose if you consider this A angle and this B angle, these two angles are unequal. That means this implies that the opposite side of this angle, that is BC, is greater than the opposite side of this angle, that is AC. That means if here as angle PAC is greater than the angle ABC, so that the opposite side of this angle, that is BC, so BC is greater than the opposite side of this angle, that is AC. Now go to our next theorem, that is theorem number 5. So theorem number 5 tells us that of all lines that can be drawn to a given straight line from a given point outside of it, the perpendicular is the shortest. So suppose this is a line AB, and there is one point O outside of this line. So if you can draw many line from the point to AB. You can draw infinitely many line from the point O to AB. Among these lines, you can see that the perpendicular line, that is this line, is smallest among them. Clear? Now this three theorem we have to remember. Now go to one corollary. This corollary tells us that the sum of the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Suppose this is a triangle. The sum of any two sides, so this is ABC, sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. I am taking here AB and BC. This is greater than the third side AC. If you take here AB plus AC, then this one is greater than BC. If I take here AC and BC, then it will be greater than AB. That means if you consider any two sides, then their sum will be the greater than the third side always. Now go to the next corollary. Next corollary tells us that the difference between the lengths of any two sides of a triangle is always less than the third side. That means the difference between, that is suppose AB minus BC, is always less than the third side AC. If you take here AB minus AC, that will be less than BC. If you take here AC minus BC, it will be less than AB. So the sum of any two sides is greater than the third side happen, and the difference of any two sides is less than the third side happen. Clear? So you have to remember these three theorem and these two corollary only. So not need to do any problem from this exercise. Next day I will give you some simple problem from this exercise. Do only that problems. Thank you everyone.